Today we're going to cover how to compare mixed numbers. First, let's review quickly what a mixed number is. A mixed number is a math expression that shows a whole number plus a proper fraction. Look at this number here, 5 1/2. 5 is our whole number and 1/2 is our proper fraction. Now what happens when you get a problem where you're asked to evaluate two mixed numbers and decide which one is greater? Let's take the first example. 5 3/8 compared to 4 3/4. You may look at it right off the bat and think, oh man, that's a lot of numbers. I got to look at where do I start? Well, first place you start is with the whole number. 5 is bigger than 4, so who cares what the proper fraction is? 5 is always greater than 4. But what happens when you have two mixed numbers with the same whole number? Okay, then you have to do a little bit more work to compare the proper fractions. Let's look at this example. 4 3/8 compared to 4 5/16. We're going to look at this by using a concept called cross multiplication. We know that the whole numbers are the same here. They're both 4, so we don't care about that piece of the expression. What we want to focus on is the 3/8 and the 5/16. Let's isolate those two proper fractions to make it easier to evaluate. You may have remembered we've already talked about cross multiplication in a previous video, but if you haven't checked it out, I'll put a link in the description. Basically, cross multiplication says you take the numerator from one fraction and multiply it by the denominator of the opposite fraction, and vice versa. This is a faster way to figure out which fraction is larger instead of going through all the extra steps to convert it to an equivalent fraction. It will give you the same answer as converting to an equivalent fraction, but instead of having to find multiples, do division and multiplication, you just simply multiply. So let's take the 3 in our numerator and multiply it by the 16 in our denominator, and we get 48. We then take the 8 in our denominator and multiply it by the 5 in our numerator, and we get 40. 48 is greater than 40, so the mixed number of 4 3/8 is greater than 4 5/16. Just for giggles, let's convert 3/8 and 5/16 to equivalent fractions to prove this answer works. 8 goes into 16 twice, so we can convert 3/8 to some number over 16 and evaluate it that way. We said 8 goes into 16 two times, so to make it equivalent, what you do to the bottom, you must also do to the top. So 2 times 3 equals 6. Our proper fraction of 3/8 is equivalent or equal to 6 over 16. 6 over 16 is greater than 5 over 16. Pretty slick, huh? Let's do one more example. 3 5/8 compared to 3 4/7. Both numbers are 3, so we don't care about them. Let's look at the 5/8 compared to the 4/7. First, we multiply the 5 times 7 and we get 35. We write that here by our numerator in our first fraction. Then we multiply 8 times 4 and we get 32. That is over here by this numerator. 35 is greater than 32, so 3 5/8 is greater than 3 4/7. Always remember, when doing cross multiplication, that your product of the numerator and denominator goes with the fraction of the numerator being multiplied. So that's it, a super easy way to compare mixed numbers. If you want some more examples in this topic, head on over to improvemath.com/additional resources and find yourself a worksheet and answers. If you found this info helpful, you know what to do. Thanks for watching.